Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an update for Rune. I just wanted to go over this trade we took. It was about just over a week ago. We were looking for 5 waves down, which we got here after this ABC correction. And we got in at the 50 was my suggestion. Stop at this high. We then made our move to the downside. Once we got further enough away, we put our stop at the second one too, because our fourth wave should not overlap. And overnight, we eventually hit our target of 162. A nice little 5-unit trade there. Now we're at the area we were discussing last video. I'll just show you what that is real quick. There's a lot of different things going on here. So first option is, this is our third wave. We're making a flat pattern. We just hit the 1-to-1 extension of this A wave, and we're looking to make a 5th wave to the upside. That's the one pattern we can make. Alternatively, this could be a ending diagonal, and we did top in our 5th wave, in which case this is a 3-wave move currently in. So that could make a flat, like so. We get a B wave up and a C wave down to between the 50 and the 618 of this entire move, and I have that in gray. Those are the retracements. Or we come up a little bit, make a 5th wave down, 5 waves down, for an A wave, B wave, C wave. So you can see there's a couple different ways this scenario can play out. And the last one is, this could actually be an A wave, and we made a flat and we're going for a C wave, but it doesn't really change direction. It's just more how many waves we expect to fill out. So you can see everything fits a little better on log chart. On log chart, we haven't reached the 1-to-1 extension of A equals C, but on linear we have. We just ticked it. So we're in an area where multiple things that could be happening. Now on the 15-minute, we haven't broken structure of the previous 4th wave. Alternatively, this is a 5-wave pattern, and we've only reached the 1.382 extension of this wave A down, if this is an ABC. Now, if we were getting a impulse, I would have expected this 5th wave to come down to the 1.618 extension, which we have in log scale. So you can see how we've got a couple different potentials here. But I do expect the next move to at least get us some retracement. And if it's a 4th wave, we'd expect, if we measure out this 3rd, we'd expect that to go between the 382 and the 50, which I've highlighted in white of this 3rd wave, because that's our most likely area for our 4th wave to come. Might be a little lower because our previous 4th wave was here, as you can see. But if we get 5 waves down, we'd expect it to hit between the 2 and the 2.236 here, extension of the wave 1. So that's the area we're at. So what I'm looking for is a long currently, and I will move stops to invalidation levels. I'll update that as we go. But I'd at minimum want to catch this 4th wave right here. And if we do have a bottom and we're getting that 5th wave or another, or that C wave, obviously I want to try and catch it. But knowing that, you need to fully expect to get stopped out on these trades a couple times till we get to the right pattern. What I do is I just take advantage of a potential bottom, and I'm fully aware I might have to enter it 3 or 4 times before I get it. But it'll be such a good risk reward at the end of the day that it's worth taking multiple times. Now let's go look down at the 1 minute and 5-minute level, see if we've got any potential here. Well, it's pretty ugly. Could get a leading diagonal out of it, but it doesn't look like a 5 wave unless it's a leading diagonal. So that's kind of negative for our bullish scenario currently. Let's pull some pivots on there. So we're at between the 382 and the 50 right now. Let's adjust those pivots. Come on. Sorry, my trading view kind of works funny when I'm recording. I think I need more RAM or something. So the only positive about this is we're trending sideways here, right? In sort of a channel. So that's kind of the only benefit to the setup right now. And if I were to scalp it, I would only want to target the 1-to-1, considering this could be an ABC. I'm going to leave this one for now. I'd like to at least break a structure, previous 4th wave of the wave. So what I'll probably do with this one is give it a little more time and see if we get 5 waves here. Remember, the market should always come back to us in this area. So if we get 5 waves here, I'll look to rebuy at this support level somewhere in here once we break structure. So right now I'm going to wait on Rune. Let it create a little more clarity before committing to this entry. All right, guys, so looking to bottom here soon. Might be bottomed already, but we want to break that previous 4th wave you see there on the 15-minute, right where my mouse is. Buy the first retrace after a impulse up, and looking to target upside, but we'll move our invalidation levels to at least get this 4th wave. All right, guys, if you want to follow along, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out the Solana video if you haven't seen it from today. Got an entry in that one. And thanks for watching.